Hello and welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In this video, I'm gonna guide you to change region on Netflix. Netflix doesn't allow you to manually change your Netflix region. This is to protect its licensing remains, as some shows aren't licensed in certain regions. Instead, it checks your IP address to reveal your geographical location, which is what then determines your assigned Netflix catalog. Now, if you want to change region, then you have only one solution, that is to use a VPN. A VPN hides your actual location by temporarily replacing your real IP address with one from a country of your choice. It does this by redirecting your internet traffic through one of its private servers in your chosen region, then lets you use that server's IP address, which makes it look like you're accessing Netflix from that country. Now, first thing that you need to do is to download VPN on your device. Now, for doing that, head over to the Play Store and there search for VPN and get your VPN app on your device. Now, once you get VPN on your device, tap and open the app and get logged into your VPN account. Now select a server that corresponds to the Netflix library you want to access. For this video, I'm going to connect with US. Now once your connection gets secured, open up the Netflix app and make sure to get logged into your account. Now you can have access to your chosen Netflix library and you can start watching your preferred shows and movies. And this is the only way that you can change region on Netflix. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, then make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.